Good morning. My name is Adam Caplan. My company is Cellular Attitude. We're a sales training and coaching organization. And I wanted to make a little video to give a testimonial to a young man called Dilan Courts, who handles and manages all of our IT through his business, DC Services. At 6:30 a.m. this morning, my website and everything we had on it went down and appeared to disappear. I messaged Dilan through our online service that we have with him, and by 9:13 a.m. the website was back up, nothing had been lost, and he discovered and solved the fault within maybe 40 minutes of him getting the message from me. And so if ever you're worried about IT or you're thinking about using an IT provider or a service provider, I can highly recommend Dilan Courts at DC Services. And if you'd like to get an introduction to him, please get in touch, because I'm blown away by good customer service. And this was a major worry for me that was taken away with very, very little effort on my part. So once again, Dilan, thank you so much. You did an amazing job. Thank you.